Hello YouTube friends and families. Today was January 17. So 2 days ago, I arrived here in California from my Philippine vacation. At para madali guys, magtagalog na lang tayo. Kaya eto, on our way kami sa marina para magpunta ulit sa boat. Syempre dahil back to California na ako, back to boating life na din. At tamang-tama dahil Friday ngayon at sa Monday naman ay Martin Luther the King's Day. Kaya mahaba ang vacation ng aking asawa. So ayan, kami ay nasa San Pedro, California na. At maya-maya pang konti, nandito na tayo sa marina kung saan nandoon yung aming boat. At syempre ang aming si Scrappy ay napaka-happy na naman. Happy din ako dahil na-miss ko din naman yung boat. At yan nga yung Boston Whaler. Mamaya ay ila-launch natin yan sa water. At meanwhile, tayo ay pumunta muna sa sailboat dito sa dock para i-unload yung ating mga bit-bit o yung ating mga stuff kagaya ng food at kung ano-ano pa.
Before.
Balik ulit tayo sa boating life mga loves. May
All I
lobster.
have to do is look at Brian's.
Yeah. May lobster trap si Tom kasi lobster season pa. Sana makahuli ng lobsters. Ayan. Pero alam nyo naman lagi, miss ko pa din ang Pinas. Love you all. Say hi.
Hi. Here we are at the boat. Beth hasn't been here in 6 weeks. And it's a beautiful day. It's supposed to be cloudy, but it's a
Nice.
beautiful day.
Macaroni salad. At nag-stop by nga kami sa A1 Deli Italian Market. At bumili kami ng lunch. Meron kaming cannoli at macaroni salad at syempre ang Parmigiana eggplant sandwich. Favorite namin to kasi hindi siya mabigat sa tiyan tapos very satisfying siya. It's locked up.
Oh well.
Ay, Scrappy. Scrappy.
$26 key fob. It's not working.
Nick.
I'm gonna bring it back. Girls are colleague. Oh, look.
Sumahan nyo kami sa boat ramp para i-launch natin ang Boston Whaler sa water. So tama-tama yung namin timing dahil kami lang dito sa boat ramp at walang masyadong hintayan. Kaya madali naming na i-launch ang boat sa water.
Watch this. Show it. They on? The lights.
Yeah,
What color?
white. Blue. Oh.
What color?
Oh, the other one is purple. The other one is
They're supposed to
blue.
be the same.
They're cool that way. Okay, it's the same blue. White. Red and white. Blue and purple.
I gotta figure. There's a system to doing it. But I don't know what it is.
At just like that, nasa water na ang boat at kailangan ko yung hilahin papunta doon sa bandang malayo-layo para itali muna siya habang babalikan naman namin siya mamaya para i-drive doon sa aming boat slip. Kaya ayan na, i-park na namin yung truck pabalik sa parking ng marina at ngayon naman lalakad tayo pabalik ulit doon sa boat ramp para naman i-drive yung boat papunta sa boat slip. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
It's a nice girl.
Come on. Bye-bye. Scruffy. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Scruffy. Orty pub. Scruffy. So, angas. Isa sa favorite time ng aming si Scruffy the Sea Dog ay ang mag-walking. Kaya talaga namang enjoy siya pagka nag-walking kami. At kung napapansin nyo guys, hindi na ako nag-a-add ng background music kasi lagi ako nakaka-copyright. So, lagi ako nag-i-edit, ini-erase ko pa yung music. Kaya ngayon hindi muna siguro ako mag-a-add ng music. Come on, Scruff. Wait,
Oh, he'd try to get a hold of me. Huh?
the guy from Utah.
Yeah.
Forgot his name. There's another dog on a leash.
Well, that's all right. No. We have a cell phone over there. Something's either wrong. Is it changing colors?
Right now, yeah. Okay, it's white.
But is it flickering?
No.
It's supposed to be red.
Oh. I think the one you clicked earlier, it was a different mode.
It's not even cold.
At mag-join kayo sa amin guys sa aming romantic evening cruise. Joke lang. Well, nag-take advantage na din kami habang dinadrive yung boat papunta sa aming boat slip na mag-drive around na din or mag-cruise around papuntang Port of LA at medyo dun sa bandang Vincent Thomas Bridge. namin mag-evening cruise at dock yung boat dun sa boat slip. Kami ay nag-drive around ulit at naghanap ng taco stand at we ran across this one. Kaya eto guys, tingnan nyo kung paano nila gawin yung kanilang burritos dito. Ang in-order namin that night ay burritos, tripa, and pork burrito. Oh, okay, that looks
Real
good.
juicy, huh? What part of the cow is it? Beef. The beef brain?
And it's tender, huh? Shredded
Shredded.
beef. Okay, shredded beef.
Yeah, looks good. You want cheese? Want tripa mix? Tripa and suero.
The shredded beef. Suadero.
Shredded. How much? Big, a little bigger. That's the suero, huh? That's the tripa. Woo!
Oh, okay.
What's that?
Their
Oh,
Facebook page and Instagram.
woo! All right, baby.
The very
Woo! No, I eat it all.
no sharing.
What, do I cut it now?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead.
Yeah, you can cut it, please.
Oh yeah, that's how you do it.
Yeah, there's a fire.
A big setup.
Yeah. There ones across.
They're blocking the view of the traffic.
Yeah.
Cops are like that. I think this is clear.
11th Street. San Pedro. 11th Street Pacific, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. 11.
The following day, we're gonna have this Hopia Pastillas de Yema from the Philippines. At syempre, coffee time. And the view. Sunny. It's sunny sour. Well, back to California. Got here Tuesday night, and today is Saturday. Today is Saturday, yeah. I'm still on my pajama. Curling my hair. Okay. Coffee time. Still jet laggy.
I'll take a little bit more.
Sure.
So 350 without the
Nice
boat.
crowd.
My phone's acting funny.
After our morning coffee, nag-aya yung asawa ko na magpunta dito sa Polly and Bakery dito sa San Pedro, California dahil may gusto siyang bilhin na ang tawag doon ay ding dong
That boat's for sale.
dessert siya, chocolate na parang may marshmallow, parang ganun. Kaya punta muna tayo sa bakery, sama kayo. Who's gonna take that piece of crap?
They should pay to have it drunk. Really?
I know.
That one.
Infinity Yachts here. Do we know the owner of this one?
I think I've only seen one time or two.
Tuna time.
Should have the $45 in the Italian district in San Pedro. Do you remember the name?
At eto na nga tayo sa Polly and Bakery. Masasarap yung mga baked goods nila dito at sobrang fresh din kaya gusto naming pumupunta dito once in a while. At every time na nasa bake shop ako, talaga namang happy place ko to guys eh. Mahilig kasi ako mag-bake. Gustong gusto ko nakikita yung mga baked goods na yan, pati yung mga decorations at syempre yung quality ng baked goods.
A couple weeks before we come back. So, you pick something out.
Liver and blueberry cream cheese.
Yeah, I feel.
Polly's Bakery.
That is skunk.
At sa tapat pala ng Polly and Bakery ay merong consignment store. Kaya inaya ko yung husband ko na mag-stop kami dito. Baka may makita ko ng mga something na treasure. Kagaya ng mga antiques, ganon. Kaya yung asawa ko mabait siya pagka ganyan. Naniningin din kasi siya sa mga consignment store. At eto yung nabili ko na bracelet. So vintage niya at napaka-colorful at hindi mahirap bagayan kung ano yung suot mo. Nag-ikot-ikot pa kami sa area, baka kasi makakita kami ng mga yard sale. But sad to say, they don't have yard sales. Maybe because napakalamig ng weather, freezing weather, at yung mga tao ay wala sa mood mag-yard sale. Kaya mag-drive around na lang tayo. You know who likes seeing these houses? Sister Isel.
Really?
I should analyze which one is the prettiest
I think
house.
we're that close to having her here with.
Recommended Steve, long hair, right?
Yeah.
After ng bakery, tayo ay magsa-stop by sa Chinese food place dahil ang craving ko for today ay some Chinese food. Gustong gusto ko yung egg fuyong nila dito sa Nim Chan's Chinese food place dito sa San Pedro. Kaya dito kami nag-order. At ayan yung na-order namin. Chinese food, fried rice, shrimp fried rice, at chicken egg fuyong.
Dang. That's an odd curve, huh? Chris says he's buying fish next time.
Oh, some sweets from Polly Ann's Bakery. Got the Chinese food right there. Chinese food.
Chinese.
Egg
Chinese.
fuyong.
Egg fuyang.
And shrimp fried rice.
Shrimp fried rice.
Gonna be yummy. Happy belly. Oh, girls.
No Dragon Stew.
Nope.
They missed out, I was gonna show.
Because you're with the Filipina.
Good afternoon, beautiful people.
Tayo ay tumambay muna dito ng very very light. Enjoy natin yung view.
You sent me a picture of you standing next to the plant.
He's booking it.
I don't think it's gonna be a last night again.
No.
Huh?
No.
Off.
Mm. What him struggling? You made it to the top, Papa. Mag-afternoon walk muna tayo para happy-happy ang aming Scruffy.
Perfect place to hang the dinghy. Have you ever seen a whaler get lifted?
No. That's my dream boat, that Charlie boat.
What one?
Is it still Charlie, the
Yeah.
catamaran?
Yelling for the dog.
Did you snip atay? You found taya and you snip it?
Because I think I might do a poop here.
Yep.
Oh,
But
you
it's
little.
getting red. Puppy! Come on, Scott.
Because I forgot to do.
Film him.
Get over here and check out the sunset.
Come on, Scott.
Come on, Scruffy. Come on. He just laughs at us. Oh, there goes the crew. Is that the summer girl?
I think it is.
No, it's wrong. Duck.
Oh, they're the one on the boat.
The green one.
Come on, Scott.
He's doing one last check over.
Come on. Go, 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 go,
Come on.
come on, come on. idea.
That'd be one of those. Maybe he's on the end.
Ocean deep. At the following day, Sunday morning, we got up at nag-morning coffee kami. Tapos, ayun na, nag-get ready na kami para umuwi muna para makapag-church tayo today. And we're on our way to church na.
Album was one of the most popular albums in the 70s.
Yeah.
It's hard to believe.
So that's going to be on our couples retreat. And then, of course, we've got our family camping trip, KON. That, they recognize us when we come, that's for sure.
12-inch.
Gotta sing this.
Hold me closer, tiny dancer.
On the highway. I don't know the lyrics. Gimmick. More gimmick.
Where's the guy at?
And after church, we went to Costco to grab some items like eggs and some other necessities. Yes, it's too cold to be out shopping. She was in Samoa, remember?
She's a nut. You gotta click it, huh?
Do I need my own?
No. She's illegal immigrant.
So mean.
Let's look at the routers. Do they have them?
At every time na nasa Costco kami, lagi akong tumitingin sa mga jewelry items nila dito sa jewelry area. Wala lang. Trip ko lang tumingin. Tapos may bago silang uso ngayon. Ito yung floppy bag. Siguro maganda to pag yung ano siya, carry-on. Personal item mo pag may flight ka, ganun. Very light siyang bitbitin. At syempre, dahil nakasale ang tofu, tayo ay bibili ng tofu dahil minsan ay ano na yan, $8. At ang eggs nila guys, grabe. It went up the roof yung price, tumaas na naman. Pero sa ibang store, $10 yan. Kaya mas worth it pa din dito sa Costco mag-buy ng eggs. At syempre, kailangan ko ng carrots para sa treats ni Norman. Kanya yung buong carrots na yan, buong bag ng carrots. Bili din tayo ng seaweeds dahil nung nasa Pilipinas ako, lagi din kami kumakain ito. Kaya para feeling din na nasa Pilipinas ako, nag-grab na din ako ng seaweeds. Tsaka mura lang siya, naka-sale lang. Tapos na tayo at tayo ay palabas na ng store. Meat.
Get pizza here? Or no?
Thank you. You want to get pizza?
I wanna look at the line.
It's ridiculous. Look, it kept piling.
Hold on to this. It only takes 10 minutes, but you got the cart,
Mhm.
you know.
Nag-Costco para sa dog food ni Scrappy. Ang ending, we ended up with all this.
There's Scruffy's dog food. $176.
Pero naka-sale yung tofu, kaya dalawa kinuha ko $4 something. Organic siya. Siyempre, di mawawala ang creamer. At ang carrot ni Norman. Yung egg, $8. My goodness. Two dozens, $8.
Wait, that's 2 dozen? That's
Yeah,
it? Oh, I
24 pieces. Yung spam na Korean. Ayan, tapos
see. Raw honey.
raw honey, meron tayong seaweed. Malaki ang seaweed. What else? Honey. Honey.
Organic, raw, unfiltered.
Siya
Oh,
yung spam.
this B-girl at work. Should have got this weight. It's got the pizza baby.
It's too late, baby. It's too late.
That's why it was easy. So.
Spam. Meron tayong pa sexy
You can bring
panty.
some to the boat, right? And leave. Oh, I got Levi's too. So
That's a plus. And after Costco, we went to Arirang to grab some vegetables. Ordered some Mexican food. Dahil sa Arirang, ano sila guys, fresh at mura yung mga veggies nila doon. At after namin mag-Arirang ay kami ay nag-order ng food to go dito sa El Patio. Ako ay umorder ng carnitas burrito at ang aking asawa naman ay Chillerellano burrito. Our favorite place, our favorite Mexican place dito malapit sa aming area. Ano arty ba, Pap? You have a new bag of dog food. Right there, right there. Okay, that's your food. So after church, ayan, namili kami, nag-nap, nag-coffee, at after nun, we decided na bumalik ulit sa marina para i-load up yung Boston Whaler sa trailer. At para umuwi na din kami dito sa aming bahay kasi Monday bukas, Martin Luther's Day, at hindi naman maganda yung weather para mag-boating. Kaya instead of tomorrow namin siya i-load up sa trailer ay tonight na lang para tapos na ang mga gawain.
what bridge?
Do you know why it looks like that? It looks like a sailboat mast, right?
Yeah.
Very southern expression from a
To design this. And that's the bridge that opens.
Language is quality. Flavor is let's hang out, support. Need an accident attorney by your side. All you got to do is call the accident guys.
Dito muna kami sa marina para pumunta sa boat
You know.
at kuhanin yung aming mga stuff na hindi namin dinala pa uwi kaninang umaga. At pag na-load up na namin yon, drive na namin yung boat, pabalik naman dun sa boat ramp at same process guys. Ilo-load up siya at i-rinse, tapos ayan, uuwi na ulit kami. Look good. Alright. Look good. Off to. Wow. Dang. That's bad.
I always want to step on the back of that chair, but I don't think it's a
I-
good idea.
I think Ayan na, kami ay magdadrive naman ng boat pabalik dun sa boat ramp. At from the boat ramp, iloload namin yung boat sa trailer ng truck. Okay, so ayan guys. Yung ating view. At ito ay ano lang naman 5 minutes ride from our boat slip papunta sa boat ramp.
Well, watch. Go to channel.
kind of late?
Man, I hope we didn't.
You're done here, Vivek?
See anchored?
Yes. Nobody there.
No. Do you see the anchor down?
Yeah. Only the front.
You got your gloves?
No, I forgot. I forgot.
Go.
Made it. In here and it's quiet. Wow, no people. Just us. Yeah. So ayan, nai-dock na namin yung Boston Whaler sa boat ramp, kaya naman kami ay lalakad naman ngayon pupunta sa marina para kuhanin at i-drive yung truck at saka pa lang namin ma-load yung Boston Whaler sa trailer ng truck. At tingnan nyo guys, iniwan lang nila yung fish dito, ang dami pa naman, no? Sayang yan. Pero hindi na rin kasi fresh. Okay, so fast forward.
Pretty much.
We're back na ulit dito sa boat ramp.
Go over and punch
Ayan.
out, probably. I think they go over there to the building and punch out.
What's the plan doing there?
Boat launch.
I got headache. It's fine. Grabe! Swings. Kami lang dito ngayon. Holiday kasi bukas, madalang ang tao. Nakaload na ang Boston Whaler. Iuwi na namin sa Buena Park. Nire-rin siya at lalagyan ng dissolved solution para mawala yung mga alat guys dun sa boat at dun na rin sa engine niya para makasave ng maintenance. So yan, that's why kailangan niyang gawin. At okay, na i-load up na natin yung boat after Marines ay tayo ay mag-go home na muna. At dito ko na lang guys tatapusin yung vlog na ito. Salamat sa pagnood nyo at magkita-kita tayo sa mga susunod na video. Bye for now and God bless.